Hello YouTube, just a quick update this one. Two things, one is equipment and one is the content. So on the content side, loads of feedback on the last video, and clearly there's two separate groups of people. People that grew up with TikTok and memes and enjoy the entertainment, and people that prefer to do just the dedicated watch stuff. So I want to try and capture everybody. So the plan is to put a meme spoiler alert or a meme bot on the thumbnail of every video, and I'll do two videos, one with memes, one without memes, and then you can choose easily, looking at the thumbnail, which one you want to watch. So hopefully everybody will have something that's more in line with their taste. On the equipment side, I noticed my camera system was really old. It was very tiny pocket camera used for traveling and things. It was just dated, it just really wasn't doing it, and the sound in here is very difficult because I'm in a conservatory, so it's all glass, so it's just very difficult. So I updated my camera because I wanted a new camera anyway for holidays and things. Always been into my DSLRs, so I've gone with a Canon M50 Mark II. So I can actually, for the first time ever on YouTube, see myself while I'm recording, which is really handy. I'll show you a picture now. And I've also updated, done something with the microphone that I use, so people can hopefully have a little bit different sound to it. So I'll just show you the camera now. I'll take it on my phone. So this is it's an old Sigma lens that I've had for a long time, but this is the camera. It's a mirrorless Canon M50. Nice and small, light, and not the lens, camera. So it's hopefully a bit better quality. So just a few updates, and the next video will be a watch review on one of the best value watches you can buy on the market today. It's a quartz, not a mechanical, but it's your everyday, just chuck it on and go. Looks amazing, and it's super good price. So yeah, look forward to that. Cheers, bye.